change the game.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have another new part to put on the Gen 8. We're actually going to take something off to put this on. So I have the DSM Off Road integrated recovery system. In my video where I did a complete update on all the mods to the Gen 8, I showed the servo winch that I have with the mount with the Reef's RC servo winch mount. And I think I mentioned in that video that I may replace that. And indeed I am with this. I have a couple of DSM off-road pull straps and they've been awesome. And I've checked this out at USTE, been very interested. I know others that have it, they work very well. And so therefore I'm gonna put this on the Gen 8. So we're going to take off the servo winch and put this on. Take it over to the bench and I'll show you how it does or how to install it. And then we'll take it out back and we'll give it a shot. Stick around, guys. All right, guys. So we got the Gen 8 here on the table. It's the integrated self-recovery system. It's universal fit. They do have instructions on their site for installation of this on a Gen 8. I will reference a link to that down below for you. I also picked up from Reef's RC products a fairlead for the front of the bumper. I was using one off of an old winch and just hadn't really liked it. Wanted something that wasn't as big. So it comes with some stickers. You have your directions, which I do believe these are generic. This is for technically the instructions here for axial XCS 10. But again, they have the how-tos on their site. I'll link down below specific to the Gen 8. Comes with your strap, and then you have a pulley and a couple screws, a washer, and well, actually 3 screws in total. Looking at this previously, this was designed to work with your stock bumper mount, knowing that I have the Reef servo mount, which in theory I could probably still leave this on here and run this system. Obviously there's no need, shed a slight little bit of weight from running this and clean things up on the front. So I am going to take this bumper off, take the servo winch mount out, put the stock mount back in and run this. So I'm going to get this off, get the servo winch out of here, get the stock mount in here, and then I'll come back to you. All right, guys. So I have it installed. I have to still tighten up the bumper. I did to fit this through the opening of the bumper. I had to undo the knot here to get it through. So I'm going to show you here. So you have a shoulder screw that comes with the kit. It goes to your back hole on your servo back here and goes through obviously your opening of the end of your pull strap. All the way back here, here's where your pulley goes, your back hole that tightens up for your bumper mount. You want to leave it loose enough where this still spins, so this does. There's a washer that goes in between this and the mount piece itself. And then basically the cord just goes through, wraps around that, and when you pull it like this, it goes back, and you can see as I'm pulling it, it's moving the that right there. So again, I still need to tighten up the bumper on here, but basically it's installed. So I'm going to tighten up the bumper, put wheels and tires on it, get a battery ready, and we'll go out back and do a quick test drive, and we'll see if we can give it a shot and see how it works. Stick around, guys. So we have this climb here. I specifically want to keep this tire on this side of the rock. If I get on the other side, I know I can get up it. As you can see, appear to be bottomed out. So use our integrated system. Find us a hook point. There we go. We are connected. Let's see what happens. Well, guys, here's a climb that I don't think I've really done on video.
and I have never been able to get up this without some kind of assistance from a winch or something. It's narrow. See if we can get up there. As you can see, the system retracted itself. It looks like I could still use a little bit more help. There you go. So I'm gonna let it sit on that point there. There we go. It's helping keep the front tires down so they can grip. But it did not come loose.
All right, guys, so there you have it. What do you think? The DSM Off Road Integrated Recovery System, I think it's a phenomenal piece. They have a lot of good products. Their pull straps are really good. This is like having a winch without having to worry about controlling it. It self-retracts when you let go. Sometimes you might even get lucky, and as you go up something, the hook come off the rock and just slip right back in without you having to do anything. You can pull it out quicker than pretty much any winch and retract quicker. The only instance that it could be an issue, but I still think it's manageable, is if you have a rollover and you're trying to right yourself. There's a possibility that a winch might be superior in that instance. But getting up obstacles and stuff, I think this is as good as a winch, with the benefits of not having to wait to retract or even pull out. So give me your thoughts on this product. There'll be a link down below to DSM's site for the instructions to install, plus the product itself. So guys, I hope you like what you see, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time, guys.